on some different shit today. Look, I got the brand new that fresh tire, nigga. Shit's already a little dirty, so you know where we going? We going to the woods. About to go hit Ocala right now. Look, we have a good time. Look, we got the little, you know what I'm saying? Got the fishing poles and the other poles, if you know what I'm saying. We lit, we active, man. My boy in Sam's Club right now. He getting the motherfucking, what should I call this? The thirst quencher. He getting that splat. Should be coming out any second. I was trying to wait for him. But you feel me? Got them big 450s out. Big 450. 450 cc's getting all put to use. Yes sir, we made it. We active, Ocala with it. Trails, we in the trails today. Got guns, snow all type of, you know what I'm saying? They up here taking a piss. Look, for the backpacks. We got fishing poles, nigga. Come on, man. We active, man. Ocala, we the trails. It's President's Day. Feel me? We active on the bikes, man.
We back, baby.
Look, you see, we got the fishing pole, nigga. Look, we
ready out today. We gonna catch cocktail bass, nigga.
All right.
Shit, it looks great.
I got a brand new tire in it, too. Where we going? Hey, remember I'm behind you. Just remember, that's looking dirt, huh?
Look at the fish.
Oh shit!
Look at that shit. Whack my ass.
Boy! Alright, I got you. Hold on. Come here. Oh,
I was like, nah, hold on. I gotta fix that shit.
nah, this time. Let me put it.
Fish that shit on the book bag or something.
Let me just open this. Let's just do this the right way real quick.
Big, bro.
Let's do this the right way. Dirt bikes what they meant for. Ooh.
Nah, this is too good, bro. I just think this is just too good. Like, this is too good.
Whew. Hell yeah, bro.
Yo, it don't matter.
In the wood don't play.
Nah, they don't.
Bro, I remember last time we done been in the woods.
Nah,
I was on my 250. He was on the 450. It's our first time in Ocala, at least. We done been Rancho and shit like that.
Bro.
The 450. Bro, I got smacked by a brand. That bitch looking hurt.
Yeah.
That bitch scratched me or?
Nah, you shit.
That bitch smacked the fuck. I was like, fuck.
Nah, that shit.
Cause I be underestimating these puddles. I don't want to slide through one and
Nah, no cap,
that bitch like gotta dip it.
Oh, man, but.
Yeah, boy, tired.
Nah, what? That shit was.
So remember last time down that way is like it go out to that lake and like base camp shit, and then down this way is some trails.
Trail. Wanna go to the lake?
It don't matter. We can go have some trails first.
Fuck it, let's go.
You know, nah,
Let's go, man. We're running out of breath. We just need more fuel.
yeah, you know what I'm saying.
That's it.
A little drink, clench our thirst real quick. A little thirsty. Nothing wrong with it. I'm about to take a fat ass shot.
Boy, we're gonna wheelie down the whole trail.
Jeez. Good time hanging out, hanging good.
Now we out.
We in the roots! Yeah! That didn't feel good! Them little whoops! Why you scared? We'll make it through. Come on. You pussy, nigga? You pussy? What? We can. That's what we came out for here, nigga. What? Oh, shit. Ah, you asshole. Shit right there. Now, which way should we go?
Wow. That sand was good.
Hell yeah, them little whoops was fun. Boy, I'm tired. Look, yeah, I need to clean the camera off for y'all. Whew. That wrist should get you. I ain't gonna lie. Boy, who's hanging out? Ooh, shit. Should be a workout though, ain't gonna cap.
Be good though. Where we going?
Trying to kill us.
Yo, we should have went right, bro.
Boy.
I like this part, you know what I'm saying?
Feel me? Kickstand boys.
Hold on. Yo.
Get a kickstand.
No.
Don't be like him.
Right here, bro.
Get a kickstand.
Yo.
Cowboy, he said he gonna bust a fire. Jamal, don't bust the 9.
Jamal.
Oh my, Jamal, don't bust the 9.
Oh. We need some in case of an emergency, but
feel me?
here, you got your shit on you.
I got mine.
Empty.
What's that video? Woo. Shoot, watch out. Well, let me see. Look, I'm gonna look. Matter of fact, I'm gonna aim for this right here. Y'all see this? Let's see if I can hit that bit.
Let's go, Jamal.
See if I Jamal will bust that bit. Woo. I missed that bit.
You missed that bit.
Ain't no way. Where's the gun, bro? There we go. That bit. I don't hit the line. You gotta try to hit that bit.
Nah, empty that bitch out.
Let me see.
You got some 9 on you, so we straight, bro. Just empty.
Yeah.
Go. Empty that shit. Oh.
I be empty.
Now we really lacking, bro.
Let me see. You know what I'm saying? We vibing. We outside. We took the 9 and the 4.5.
Yeah, let's go.
And them 9, hit the whole 13. So that's like,
4.5.
that's, I'll give 7.6. I'll get 7, 1 get 6.
Yeah. Yo, I only need 1 though. I'm on some John Wick shit.
And that 4.5, that's in case a nigga, in case a bear want to get slippery.
Nigga, I was shot.
Hit that nigga
over the hand, bro.
Look at these beautiful 450s in the wood. Y'all should support this, man. Riding them where they're supposed to be. Y'all should support this.
Take a couple more shots.
But we'll tap back in. We finna take our little break, or let me say, it's a man's break right here. Yes, sir.
Ah, let's go.
Back outside.
Good, my hoagie turned on, but she know she wanted, but that's my relationship with her.
Just beat her.
I beat her until she can't, but
she gotta take a break. She got to.
Better than a dirt bike.
I know, bro. He has so much fun. So much shit you can do with it.
There's nothing better than these.
My tires are He's saying take care of your shit, but look.
Take care of your shit, man.
That's how you saying take care. What a great example.
This how when you tired, do you lay down? So don't make your bike stand up all night. Let that bitch lay down, get her a little rest, cause you wanna see we gonna catch some air, we gonna. You know what I'm saying? Let her lay down. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna lay down with her.
Yes, boy.
I know she tired. I'm tired.
Look, this is.
Get some rest, baby.
He just got me a caption right there.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna look like
We
the 450.
back outside, man.
It's gonna look like the 450 done threw his ass off.
Yo, we need another blunt, man.
You
That's how you
lying.
spend Valentine's, man. Show her.
Come on, man.
Show her how
Gotta
you
show
spend Valentine's,
appreciation.
man. Show some love to your bitch. Show some love. Come on, man. This gonna be your. Oh yeah, right here, man. This nigga game freaky. Nigga, you know some.
I take it to a spot. Hold on. Which way should we go? That way? I think. Should we go through there? Hey! Woo! 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 That bitch gets a little wet now. We back at Devo. We active, man. 2 big 450s, niggas.
Man,
Big.
listen, you gotta be a man to operate these machines, man. Like, you know what the 4 stand for?
And if you don't got a 2020 and up, you can't ride with us. I'm sorry.
You can't, cause that motherfucker's gonna shut off and then they gonna.
Nah, we don't discriminate.
Yeah.
We don't discriminate as long as that bitch ain't a hoagie.
Yeah.
Can't do it.
If it's a 2-stroke, we'll let them pass. If she love you, she will stay after you beat her.
Here.
Yeah. That's beautiful. That's good. That's good.
Oh shit.
Yo, let's go. Nigga, listen, if I fell sideways, that bitch like this. Bah, nigga, I took a 360.
Oh, you fell?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh.
This shit tipped it over, boy. I was going,
What? Oh,
I
fuck.
picked in that shit.
Yo, fuck. You good? You good? You good?
Yeah.
Fuck. Bro, this is sandy as fuck.
That shit was lit as fuck, boy. You
Yeah,
can't
bro,
slow it down,
yeah, bro, this shit's crazy.
Woo.
Yo, you gotta hold on to this, bro. Oh my god. Smoke break?
Huh?
You want a smoke break?
Yeah, bro. Right here, though? Now, let's get out of here.
Yeah, all right.
Straight.
Whew.
Nah, that shit fun. We just gotta get that speed, bro. If I'm
Bro, that shit's fucking. Here, I got you. Bro, I got you. A little chill out. Oh, it'll make it easier. Trust me. Come on, let's sit up. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Yes, sir.
That sliding, bro.
Oh, you got gear.
Let's go.
That bitch in neutral.
Side, bitch.
What?
And I'm a bitch.
I got scared too, cause bro, there was one time I'm trying to get home. I can't talk to nobody. My phone about to die.
You were last nigga and you still stuck.
I was like, fuck. Yeah.
I got smacked by so many branches, bro. God damn.
I got smacked by sand. Nigga.
Oh my God. I got smacked by everything.
Woo.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put my windbreaker on, boy.
Yeah, I bet.
It's getting cold.
Oh, fuck. Woo. Don't worry about this shit. Nigga. I'm ready, nigga. fun. Oh shit. That way. Oh shit.
That's right. Yeah, talk shit, bitch. You lost that bitch. That bitch gone. Oh! Fuck this motherfucker. Oh, I hate this bitch. Oh, this bitch. You bitch! You bitch! Hey! You made me fall, bitch! You good? Huh? You good? Gas.
Huh?
No gas.
You run out of gas?
Yup.
Say you swear to God.
Yup. How far are we?
Not too far. Damn.
Gas,
Huh?
you wanna go get gas?
Fuck. Yeah, your phone's charged, right?
Bro, how far are you taking?
Like a mile. I got gas. Damn, you for real run out?
Yeah, bro. Hold on.
You want me to go real quick?
Bro, that's like our only option, bro.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second, bro. I promise I'll be quick.
You sure? Hold
Yeah.
on. I can push it. Well, I don't know how far we
But alright, so keep going. As soon as you hit the first exit, you'll either go to the straight or right. Go right and keep walking.
Alright, but first.
Yeah, I'll be right back, bro. Fuck, bro.
You said walk to where?
Let me see the light.
My bad, bro.
Yeah. Fuck.
That's crazy. You think
Grab this.
Huh?
Grab this.
No.
Look, good. We can try, bro.
What you think? Nah?
Here. That's the 4.5. Has 2 in it. I can go get gas, bro. No matter.
Yeah. Nah, I guess I would.
Double check. Look. Trying to laugh at me, bro. Pick my phone up. My shit.